with the award presentation.
The 14th Seoul Peace Prize award ceremony. Chairman Kwon Hee-hyuk will now present the award.
아울러서 수상자이신 나렌드라 모디 총리님께서는 단상 위로 자리해 주시기 바랍니다. 여러분 큰 박수로 두 분 모시겠습니다.
Will Prime Minister Narendra Modi be so kind as to come up to the platform and receive the award? Ladies and gentlemen, let us congratulate him with a big round of applause.
네, 88 올림픽의 성공적인 개최를 기념해서 1990년에 제정된 서울 평화상, 세계 평화와 인류 화합의
The Seoul Peace Prize was established to foster an atmosphere of true harmony and friendship in commemoration of the 24th Olympic Games held in Seoul in 1988.
하겠습니다. 제14회 서울 평화상 수상자 나렌드라 모디. 서울 평화상 문화재단은 세계 평화와 인류 화합에 크게 이바지한 귀하의 공적을 인정하여 제14회 서울 평화상을 드립니다. 2019년 2월 22일 서울 평화상 문화재단 이사장 권이혁.
Seoul Peace Prize Cultural Foundation has awarded Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the 14th Seoul Peace Prize in recognition of his distinguished contributions to world peace and the harmony of mankind. February 22nd, 2019, Seoul Peace Prize Cultural Foundation Chairman Kwon Hee-hyuk.
네, 여러분 큰 박수로 축하해 주시기 바랍니다. 자, 이어서 상금과 트로피의 증정도 역시 이어지겠습니다.
We will now present the laureate with a trophy and honorarium.
자, 잠시 기념 촬영이 있겠습니다.
We will now take a commemorative photo. Will the laureate be so kind as to hold the trophy and pose for the photo? Thank you.
네, 멋진 포즈를 취해주고 계십니다. 자, 이어서 보도 기념패 증정도 이어집니다. 내용은 제14회 서울평화상 수상자 발표 이후 국내 보도 내용을 담았습니다.
We will now present the laureate with a memorial tablet. This tablet embodies that which has been stated in the Korean press release following the announcement of the 14th Seoul Peace Prize laureate.
큰 박수로 축하해 주시기 바랍니다. 네, 다시 한번 축하드립니다. 자, 총리님의 단독샷을 원하시는 건가요? 예. 잠시 총리님 가운데 모시겠습니다.
Will the laureate be so kind as to hold the trophy again and pose for the photo?
자, 이어서 오늘 수상의 영예를 나누신 나렌드라 모디 총리님의 수상 소감을 박수로 청해 듣겠습니다.
We will now have the acceptance speech from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been honored with the award.
Chairman of the Seoul Peace Prize Cultural Foundation, Mr. Kwon Hee-hyuk, Speaker of the National Assembly, Mr. Moon Hee-seng, Minister for Culture, Mr. Do Jong-hwan, former Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, other members of Seoul Peace Prize Cultural Foundation, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, friends, Namaskar. Ayong Haseo Yorabun. Greetings to all. I'm deeply honored to be awarded the Seoul Peace Prize. I believe that this award belongs not to me personally, but to the people of India. The award belongs to the success that India has achieved in the less than 5 years, powered by the strengths and skills of 1.3 billion Indians. And so, on that behalf, I humbly accept the award and express my gratitude. This award is a recognition of the philosophy that has given the message of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, which means the entire world is one family. The award is for the culture that has given the message of peace, and this award is for the people who have always put societal good above individuals' ambitions. And I'm honored that this award is being conferred on me in the year that we celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. I would like to contribute the monetary award of $200,000, that 1 crore 30 lakh rupees, to the Namami Ganga fund, our efforts to clean a river that is not only held sacred by all the people of India, but is also an economic lifeline to millions of my countrymen and women. मुझे जो इस सम्मान के साथ इतनी बड़ी अमाउंट सम्मान निधि के रूप में मिली है, करीब करीब 1 करोड़ 30 लाख रुपया, वो मैं नमामि गंगे, गंगा की सफाई का जो अभियान चल रहा है, उस मूवमेंट को समर्पित कर दूंगा।